Welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to install .NET 3.5 framework in Windows 11. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started. First of all, open Control Panel. And then click on Programs. Now click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Here uncheck these two options, .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Service. Okay. Now click on OK. After applying these changes, open command prompt, run as administrator. Okay. Now update group policy object with this command, gp update /force. Hit enter. It may take a while. Okay. Now open your favorite web browser and download Microsoft.NET Framework 3.5 from Microsoft.com. Okay. Click here to download. Here you will find the installation instruction. Okay. After a successful download, open download folder. Okay. Now open this installer. Allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on yes. Now click on download and install this feature. It may take a while for downloading required files and installing. Okay, .NET Framework 3.5 successfully installed. You might need to restart apps that required this feature. Now open Control Panel again and then click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Now select these two options and then click on OK.